Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Axie Infinity Arts.
So today we are going to draw Maha, one of the furious avatar of Adishakti. So I will start my sketch with normal HB pencil. I will make outline from it. Outlines are important for sketch. They will help you for shading and all other purposes. And after that I will use darker shades like 2B, 4B, 6B. Adishakti is a wife of Devaki Mahadev, one of the principal deity in Hindu mythology. In Hindu mythology, we have three principal deities. So this is my final art. Hope you like it. And time for some effects. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Hope you like my video.